Lunchtime na, so meron akong fattoush salad from Katrina. Favorite ko to. Anyways, hindi naman to yung topic natin for today's video. By the way, what not to do when you apply for the Pakistan visa? Never engage with an agency na nag-offer na tutulungan ka tapos without the background check ng agency na yun or someone. Kasi may mga nag-reach out actually sa akin na mga nagtatanong bakit ang tagal daw ng visa tapos yung system daw ba is down. Yung NADRA website, you can check it on your own. Kumbaga, check mo yan sa Google kung down ba talaga siya. So, never pay someone you're not comfortable. Kumbaga, total stranger siya. Unless ni-refer siya ng isang taong kakilala mo talaga na trusted one, then you can look or you can try to avail their service when you try to apply for the Pakistan visa. But I hope the visa bundle will help you to navigate the entire process. Please avoid being scammed ng mga gustong tumulong kuno. Pero please, save your money, mga kadosti, please.